A special court of the National Investigation Agency remanded Assistant Police Inspector Sachin Vaze to NIA custody till the 25th of March following his arrest by the central agency on Saturday. The NIA arrested Vaze for his alleged role in planting explosives in a vehicle which was found outside the house of Mukesh Ambani. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will kickstart her poll campaign on a wheelchair from today. She will first visit the Purulia district where the Trinamool chief is scheduled to address two public meetings, one at Bhagmundi's Jalda area and another at the Balrampura Rathala ground. Union Home Minister Amit Shah to start a yatra in Jhargam of West Bengal for the upcoming assembly election. He will later address the public in Rani Band at 1 p.m. and attend a town hall program at 4 p.m. in Assam. Shah is on a two-day campaigning in two poll-bound states. In an embarrassment to the Congress in Kerala, party's women's wing president Latika Subhash on Sunday resigned from the post. She was hurt over the denial of ticket to her shortly after the candidates list for the April 6 assembly polls was released in New Delhi. The 56-year-old senior leader also shaved her head sitting in front of the Congress office in Thiruvananthapuram as a mark of protest. AIADMK top leader and Chief Minister K. Palaniswamy would on Monday file his nomination for the April 6 assembly polls from Edapadi constituency, aiming for a hat-trick of wins from the segment in his home district of Salem in western Tamil Nadu. NIA conducted raids across 5 locations in Delhi, Kerala and Karnataka on Monday against a group of individuals linked to the Islamic State. The raids were pertaining to a new case registered by the probe agency just 48 hours ago. A group of 6 to 7 persons were being monitored by intel agencies over some time, which led to the case being launched. Myanmar's ruling junta has declared martial law in parts of the country's largest city as security forces killed more protesters in an increasingly lethal crackdown on resistance to last month's military coup. At least 38 people were killed on Sunday and dozens were injured in one of the deadliest days of the crackdown. Beyoncé created history at the 63rd Grammy Awards as she became the first female artist to win 28 Grammys. She won 2 awards this year, Best Rap Performance with Megan Thee Stallion for Savage and Best R&B Performance for Black Parade. Tamil Nadu CA Bhavani Devi has become the first ever Indian fencer to qualify for the Olympic Games. The Sabre fencer secured a spot in the World Cup in Hungary after the hosts lost in the quarterfinals of the team event, allowing South Korea to progress to the semi-final. Bhavani Devi qualifies through the adjusted official ranking method.